Have you ever felt like there's more to life than what you see? Like a hidden connection just waiting to be found? Maybe it's that quiet moment when you feel at peace, or the spark of curiosity about something bigger. Today, we're exploring an ancient hymn from the Rig Veda that speaks to that very feeling. It's Rigveda 1.45.1, a verse that calls on Agni, the fire god, to link us to the divine and even to ourselves. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll not only understand this powerful hymn but also discover how its timeless wisdom can light up your everyday life. Let's dive into the hymn itself. It says, Agni, in this our ritual, worship the Vasus, the Rudras, the Adithyas, or any other being born from Manu who performs sacrifices well and sprinkles water. That might sound like a lot, so let's break it down together. First, meet Agni. He's the god of fire, but he's not just about flames. Agni is the go-between, the one who takes our prayers and offerings and delivers them to the gods. Imagine him as a bridge, or better yet, a Wi-Fi signal connecting you to the internet of the divine. In this hymn, we're asking Agni to reach out and honor a whole crew of sacred beings. Next, who are these beings? The Vasus are 8 deities tied to nature, like water, earth, and light. They're the steady forces that keep life flowing smoothly. The Rudras, 11 in number, bring energy and change, like storms shaking things up, and they're often linked to Shiva. Then there's the Adithyas, 12 deities of the sun and truth, shining light on what's right and good. Together, they show us how vast and varied the divine can be, like different channels on a streaming service, each offering something unique. But here's the kicker. The hymn also mentions beings born from Manu. Manu is the first human in Hindu story, so this means us, people. It says humans can be worthy of worship too, but only if they perform sacrifices well and sprinkle water. That's about doing things with care and purity, like pouring your heart into something meaningful. So this verse is saying that Agni connects us all, gods and humans, into one big sacred network. Now let's go deeper. This hymn isn't just about old-school rituals. It's a map for connecting to something greater. Agni's role as the messenger shows us that there's a way to reach beyond the everyday, to the divine, to nature, and even to the best version of ourselves. It's like lighting a fire inside you that burns away distractions and reveals what really matters. The variety of deities, Vasus, Rudras, Adithyas, reminds us that the sacred isn't one size fits all. It's in the calm of a river, the power of a storm, the clarity of sunlight. And by including humans, the hymn tells us we're part of that sacredness too. If we live with purpose and purity, we can rise to a higher level, almost like the gods themselves. There's another layer here. Some say the Vasus, Rudras, and Adithyas represent scholars who spent years, 24, 42, or even 48, studying and mastering themselves. This points to knowledge and self-discipline as a spiritual path. It's about growing through effort, not just wishing for it. So, Rigveda 1.45.1 is really about unity, everything and everyone, linked together through intention and wisdom. Okay, so how do we use this today? Even if we're not lighting fires for rituals, this hymn has lessons that fit right into modern life. Here are 4 ways to make it real. Put learning first. The focus on scholars and study tells us education is key. Before jumping into big life moves like relationships or careers, build your foundation. Whether it's school, a new skill, or chasing a passion, treat learning like your personal ritual. It's samvedhanam. It sets you up for everything else. Master your focus. In a world buzzing with notifications and distractions, self-discipline is your superpower. Set goals, carve out time for what matters, and maybe even try mindfulness to keep your mind clear. It's like tending your inner fire, keeping it steady and strong. Get ready for the big stuff. The hymn's call for pure, thoughtful action is a nudge to prepare before taking on responsibilities. Want to start a family or a dream job? Make sure you're emotionally and financially solid first. It's about being ready to shine, not just stumbling in. Honor the wise. The hymn respects those who've mastered their craft, so look up to mentors and experts. In an age where anyone can post online, lean on teachers or pros who really know their stuff. It's how you grow smarter, not just louder. So, what's the big takeaway from Rigveda 1.45.1? It's an invitation to connect, to the divine, to nature, to your own potential. Through learning, focus, and living with purpose, you can light up your life and the world around you. Carve out time to learn something new, quiet your mind, or just act with intention. If this ancient wisdom sparks something in you, share it with a friend. Let's keep this fire burning together.